Okay, so you're gonna part your hair right at where your eyebrows arch, and then you're gonna pull it back to the crown of your head, and then you're gonna also section off some hair back there. So basically we're gonna have a square section of hair, and we're gonna put that into a ponytail, making sure that that ponytail is right at the top of your head, because if it's too far back, this won't look right. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna braid your hair, just a normal braid, but you are going to braid it halfway down this ponytail. So if you have short hair, you know, whatever length your ponytail is, half of that will be a braid. You know, I have long hair, so my braid is going to be long, but it is still half of that. As you can see right here, I'll show you. What you're going to do after you get halfway down with a braid, you're going to section that off with a little rubber band, and then you're going to start wrapping that around kind of like a bun. And then I'm going to pin as I go. So I'm wrapping it around, making a little bun on top of my head. And once I've secured that braid, and I start getting to the loose ponytail section of my hair, I'm going to wrap that around the braid, and I'm going to cover the braid with regular hair. So the point of the braid was to make this a nice circular ball on top of our head, and also it's going to help to make this look very volumized, just so that it doesn't look like a little nub on our head. We do want this to be you know, visible. We want it to stand out, otherwise it'll look funny. So the braid is important. And then all I'm doing is I'm just pinning in any excess hair, as you can see, to make sure that the hair is nice and pretty. And then again right here you can see any little extras, pin it down. We don't want any little flyaways. And then I'm going to show you a backed up version so you can see what it looks like in context. Some of you will have curled hair, some of you will have straight hair. That just depends on what Miss Torres tells you. So again, curl or straight hair, and that's the look.